trader here, and it is June 27th, 2023. Taking a look at this euro trade, it has stopped out. The supply area that we had here has now been removed. Our stop has been hit. So the trade is no longer active. Reason for the trade not working is as price was rallying up, retail traders were adding short. Okay, by the time supply was hit, they weren't at maximum shorts. Okay, they were still at around 53-55%. We would prefer to see retail shorts be in the 80s and 90%, and then we'd expect price to reverse. So they weren't there yet, which doesn't allow the banks to want to drop price. The banks aren't going to drop price unless they know retail traders are at their max short, so they can start offloading those shorts into long positions. All right, so that's it. It was a stop out, and we'll just wait for another better opportunity. Take care.